بسم الله الرحمن
School education, elementary, secondary, higher secondary school. Please give him a round of applause. Then we have Mrs. Hamida Malla from Government Girls College, Kotri. Muslims of the South Continent. He did it with the power of positivity. He stayed positive to the very last breath of his life. Nelson Mandela, the first time. History is full of such people who made possible it. Failure is not a factor until we surrender. Trying again is the glorious key to success. Let's dive together. He emerged cartoon as his proud. At last, but not at least. Well said.
The definition of it. So what is positive thinking? It is a mental and emotional attitude that always expects a positive and favorable result, which is an act of worship of Allah, family and happy. And positivity not only change your personal and professional life, but also make you feel better. We often think positive, but unfortunately, many people do not experience. So please, take responsibility of your own happiness. Do this. There is nothing impossible in this world, because the word impossible says itself. I am possible. The power of positive
Is Hyderabad, Kent.
and is convinced that he or she can overcome the obstacle might occur in a certain period of difficulty during his lifetime.
There is no any other way but passions. Yes, the passions is another positive factor to derive out negativity. Being a positive thinker means being a problem solver.
Thinking is a mental attitude in which we expect good things before it manifests. Positive thinking is a process of creating thoughts that create and transform
of Allah, the names and attributes of Allah, to His blessings and wonders, to hold in the hereafter and the optimism.
Depression and stress. I see youngsters committing suicide. I see women being stopped and raped, murdered in the name of honor. I get all of them going for the death of suicide. What is the difference between positive thinking and negative thinking? Positive thinking is letting yourself do the best. It's letting yourself reach the people out there, newspaper, social media, etc. All these things make our mind positive or negative. It's up to you. How do you take these things? Our Holy Prophet who said there's nothing to more mankind, he gave us none. How? Just because of positive
Your future will change. If you think positive, your habit will change. Your habit will change, and positive thinking is sure to give success.
If a person thinks positively, he accepts health, happiness and success in his life. Positive thinking, the ability to control your
He undercomes the influence of negative thinking and commits suicide. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For after the ball will be
It keeps you healthy with low rates of depression, anxiety, better coping skills during hardship and in the time of stress. It also increases life. Your life will let an ideal living where there will be no cheating, injustice, discrimination, dishonesty, and when there will be no negative. But you can start right now and make a brand new ending. So let's
And at YouTube channel. Now I would like to call upon our next speaker.
Society peaceful. For example, For example,
Alisha Rani, Uruj Nagari, Tasawwur Zona. Okay, we have Tasawwur.
But I know Mr. President, now you think who was she? Yes, the right permission, the right officer. Now you belong to me, the right scholar. Cannot take the right decision. We always take the wrong decisions. Positive thinking is not of just being happy or displaying an upbeat attitude. These people are not taken seriously or how many people do you know who sits and reflects on positive thinking? Approximately 99%.
We should prove the thing that impossible is possible. If we read in the deep pages of the history, we see that it is nothing but only positive thinking.
Answer simple. In the first hadith of Sahih Bukhari, that your actions depend upon your intentions. And when one starts thinking positive, the life becomes.
तो कैलकुलेशन के बाद भी आई एम गोइंग टू अनाउंस
Because the competition was very tough.
ऑफ कोर्स यस
I am first of all thankful to Kaka Sahab and his team, Shah Miran Sahab, Meedan, to have us given this opportunity to be part of this August group. In our Madam Compare, really saying to me that no loser here. You all are winners. And another thing very important, we all three judges may also be faulty. We may be faulty. We are humans. We are to err. God is to forgive. Anyway, we have done our best to make justice here. And another thing again, that if you can't win, don't think that you are losers. You become losers when you quit. So, don't. Now, for announcing the result, I think I should request Abdul Jabbar Awazi Sahab. No. Come over, Mr. Sir.
The third position goes to Ghulam Akbar, Government Boys High School, Matli. Congratulations.
Please come on the stage.
And you are invited. The second position, a lot of things are there by the way to say, but I don't want to say by the way. And it is a presentation over here, so that's why the result is here with you. So this was Victorian, and now from the girls, sir.
are position holders, but there is some difference between the way you presented yourself. So we are
Government High School Kasnawar.
and next time inshallah you will be the successful and you will get
English pronunciation, English intonation, sentences is to be spoken in a way that it must leave some proper impression and understanding and comprehension with the audience. So you are inshallah next time when you are
हो गया कितनी देर की होगी 10 सेकंड बस ठीक है।
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारी आने वाली वीडियो मौसूल हो सके।